Well, this is the part number 2 of becoming an entrepreneur. Let me close the door. This is gonna be my new desk. It's basically a piece of wood, a raw wood, as you can see here. And outside. It's okay. And this is gonna be my new desk. Okay, it's gonna replace that between these two walls, as you can see here. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so the first part is done. I used the paper at 40, which is really strong paper. So I remove all the part is really really good. Looks good. I need to pass the 80 now, so it's gonna be get really better than now.